your concert venue, outdoor festival, or biker rally to the next level with the most explosive band in Texas, Whiskey D.
Well, I've got to run to keep from hiding.
For booking availability and rates, contact us at whiskeydeepband.com.
Hell yeah. It's a beautiful day to ride. Woo! Hell yeah. Look at that. Let's ride. It's a little town called McCook, south northwest of Mission, McAllen, and there's this little church that's been here. Flanked by the turbines. Sunday school. Nice little church here out in the middle of nowhere, a little town called McCook. It's a community named for a local storekeeper. This community was settled by descendants of the pioneers who, in 1854, founded Panama Maria, Texas, the oldest Polish colony in the United States. Great riding weather, great riding roads. St. Isidore, patron of the farmers. Since this was a farming community, really relied on their saints to give them good crops, healthy crops. Beautiful out here. Turbines all around now, but there used to just be sky. Little store established in 1947. You can see the little old school phone booths. Little slice of Americana. And then you got that old sign right there of Dr. Pepper and 7-Up and Big Red. Sky is beautiful. 490. Harley's across. Remember those, man?
10 cents.
We We had to wait to get to one of those to answer whoever was looking for us.
Or either that or collect call. Mom.
A little old school phone
Pick me
booth.
up.
And then the old school bells from the school. Remember when we used to have those in school? It would ring. That means y'all had to get into class. We're in the middle of South 2058, 681 North. And this is 490. 490 East. Well, looky here. I'm at a store here in McCook inside and got all the Bash in the Brush bike rally posters from the past. And wow, guess who's here? That's awesome.
Chicken dinner? Your salad and roasted. Right around. My first time trying fried chicken. I've never tried it here.